and welcome back to another unboxing obsession video. If you are new to my channel and you do enjoy watching all sorts of unboxing videos, a little bit of product reviews, and from here from time to time some travel and adventure, then make sure that you hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell, because that way every time I upload a video you are the first ones to be notified and you won't miss a thing. If you are already subscribed to my channel, woohoo, welcome back my beautifuls. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you guys so much. And today I am back with the box by Fashionsta. Now this box, I've been receiving this box for I don't know how many months now, maybe a year or something. And this box is awesome, guys. I love this box. I am so late with this box. This is the December box. And this is UVC beauty skincare products. I believe 5 to 7 full-size products every month for $24.99 monthly. So with that said, let's get started. So this is what's inside my box, guys. Once I open the box, that's what it looks like. So this is my information card. So everything that's inside the box is listed here, and I do believe, yes, they do include prices. So with that said, guys, let's open this baby up and look at all these amazing products that are in there waiting for me to unbox and share with you guys. So with that said, guys, let's get started. Because I'm excited. This was my December box and we are in January, and I'm like so late with this box. Okay, so my first item, I want to start using what's in here, is going to be this right here. Okay, what is this? Oh, this is heavy too. So this is a Himalayan body polish. Oh, so, and it's from Beccalia, something like that. Oh, so this is a body. Is it a body? Oh my God, it's like really watery. It's a body polish. Oh, but I don't know if you guys can see that, but look, it's like, is it watery or is it just me? Hold on. I'm gonna have to open it because now I want to see. Okay, let's see. Oh my goodness. Why did I have to open that? Oh, guys, this smells so good. So good. Oh my goodness. So this is my first product here, guys, and it is a body polish. And I will tell you guys, let me put on my glasses because these information cards, I swear they make them smaller and smaller every month. Because I don't want to say that I get blind and I'm blind every month. So I would just blame them. So this one, guys, is Beccalia. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Botanicals, and it is a body polish, and it retails for $15. It's Himalayan sea salt, exfoliate, polish, and soothe the skin with antioxidant rich sweet almond oil, ooh, coconut oil, ooh, and shea butter to nourish and veil your body in luxury. It has like all the ingredients that I love. All the ingredients that I love are inside that body polish. So I am excited. I cannot wait to try. I'll probably try that tonight. My next item is going to be this right here, guys. And this is from Earth Harbor, and it's a Glow Juice Refining Enzyme Mask. Red seaweed fruit enzymes. Ooh, look at this. I love the color. So that's what it looks like. And that's the color. And this one retails for $40, guys. So this is a Glow Juice Refining Mask. It's a Purple Paradise. This powerful, fast-acting AHA/BHA gel mask. It naturally resurfaces, cools, firms your skin, and doubles as a leave-on spot treatment. It's vegan and cruelty-free. Ooh, so excited. I'm telling you, I love receiving this box. The products that they I have discovered some really really good products um receiving this box, like products that I've never heard of, and I don't think I would have ever heard of any of these brands if was not receiving this box. I truly truly love this box. My next item, guys, is going to be this right here, and I'm just going to leave my glasses on just because I'm not going to keep taking them off and putting them back on. So I hate wearing my glasses, but I'm going to have to leave them on. So this is my next item. So this is from the company Suede Matte Jet Stick. It's an oil absorbing blotting paper, one roll with a refillable case. So I'm gonna open this so I can show you guys what it looks like, right? Oh my god, look how pretty it is. It's like super super pretty. So that's what it looks like. Oh, look at this, guys. So cute. I love this. So this right here, put it back inside the box. This is the blotting paper, absorbing paper. It retails for $12. It says press these naturally derived blotting papers gently over the face to modify on the fly. Use after applying creamy makeup to absorb excess oil from the product and help it stay put. It's vegan and cruelty free. Oh, I love that. My next item, guys, is going to be this right here. And this is Young Blood Mineral Cosmetics Color Craze Matte Lip Crayon. Ooh, let's see. So that's what it looks like. Look at the color. It's so pretty. I love the color. And that is the color. I'm not gonna do any swatches because this is going to go in on a giveaway, guys. Soon I'm gonna be doing a video of a giveaway that I will be doing. So stay tuned for that. It's gonna come soon. I'm probably going to be doing it the end of this month. So I will be uploading it the beginning of February, okay? So my next item, guys, this is huge. Look at this. It's going to be, this is a new moisture intensive mask. It's Mascara Intensa Numa treatment transform hair and restores moisture to improve texture, leaves hair feeling smoother, softer, and full of shine. Oh, so this is for your hair. Oh, wait a minute, I didn't tell you guys the price of the lip crayon, which is, it retails for $19. And this here is, it rehydrates thirsty hair with an extra dose of moisture. You can do this, it's a weekly, oh, now you can do, it's a weekly hydrating mask. It seals in moisture while enhancing overall condition. It straightens the hair and manageably, and it's vegan and it's cruelty free. And this retails for $36, guys. This is huge. Next up is going to be, let's see if I think I can put that back in there. And they always send a palette. So you will always, ever since I've been receiving this box, I have received a an eyeshadow palette with in each box. So this box had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. So we did, okay, we did the mask, we did that, okay. So this is my last item, just making sure. So this is my last item, guys, and it is my eyeshadow palette, and it's from IBY Beauty. It retails, this is their Everyday Loves Sunday Brunch palette. It has 12 dreamy and creamy mixed matte duochrome and shimmer shades. It's infused with rose hip oil to nourish for an extra smooth application. Is vegan and cruelty free, and this retails for $20. see. Oh, it's so pretty. I love the outside decor. Look how pretty that is. It's so cute. Oh, it has a mirror. And look at the colors, guys. Oh, the colors are beautiful. And I will not be swatching these either because this is going to be put in my giveaway basket. Because I have tons of eyeshadow that I don't need. I want, but I don't need. So guys, this box, I can't stress. I'm like obsessed with this box. I really am. I love receiving this box every month. I can't believe I'm so late unboxing this box. It's been super crazy for me this whole month. But with that said, guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys back soon with a different unboxing video. Bye, guys.